What's going on, kid family? So on today's video we are gonna have to sadly let the Acura RDX wheels go. For those of you that don't know, we picked up Acura RDX wheels from a 2019 model from the dealership. If you guys have not seen that video, it was crazy. I don't know how I got these wheels so cheap from the dealership. It was a steal. But anyway, it's been about 2 months since we've had them. We had them chilling in the porch and we found a buyer finally for them. So if you guys don't know how much I paid for them, I paid $350 pretty much in the boxes, as you guys can see. Original. I mean, this thing is sealed so beautifully, man. I really love it. And these things are mint, guys. These things are so freaking clean. It is amazing. It is kind of sad to see them go. I don't really want to sell them because, man, it's like the cleanest set of wheels that I've ever had. But we got a amazing deal for them. It's time to flip them. I'm not going to put them on my Civic or the CRV since they're 19s. It's not practical, but someone has use for them. And I think the guy that's coming to pick them up also has an 8th gen Honda Civic. That's what I seen from his little logo. So it'll be cool. Stay tuned to see how much I sell them for till the end of the video. And again, guys, I'm going to try to record the transaction somewhere with the hidden camera. And I'm going to have audio picking up from my cell phone. Then I'll sync everything together so you guys can hear a little bit better the conversation, how the buyer goes about buying these wheels. So let's go. What year is the car?
2008.
2008. Yeah, you can take a look at everything, man. I mean, I remember like 3 weeks ago before I put them away, I washed them and everything. Yeah, all of them are the same condition. There's no scratches. Pretty much what happened was it was from a takeoff wheel from a brand new car. When they upgraded the wheels,
Oh, okay.
dealer takes this one off,
Oh.
and then they sell them.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll take it.
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. I can help you out here.
Yeah. Yeah. I work like in Lyons, Illinois.
Uh-huh.
Like at 20 minutes from here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I just work in a Subway restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take them over there. So you going back home now or what?
Yeah.
Oh, long drive, man.
Yeah.
Here, you grab one, I'll grab the other. That's gonna look nice, man. Boy, wasn't that easy, man. Dude didn't even look at the wheels. I could have rocked in these wheels. Legit, I could have sold this guy dead skunks in these boxes. He would have taken them. He wouldn't even know. Terrible buyer. Well, holy hell. Wasn't that an easy sale? Dude didn't even look at the 3 other wheels. They could have been curb rash, they could have been damaged. He just took my word for it. Not good, guys. You definitely want to look at every single wheel. The front of the wheel, the back of the wheel, the side of the wheel, every angle, man. You got to do a 38-point visual inspection. But anyway, guys, I'm a pretty much honest seller right here. I told him what's up. The wheels, as you guys seen, they're in perfect mint condition, so hopefully he enjoys those wheels on his MDX. He had an 08 MDX that he's going to be running them on. Again, great sale. I don't know if you guys already know, but we sold the wheels for $650. So we paid $350, we sold $650. We got $300 profit. I'm not sure what the percentage margins are. I'll put that number right over here. The wheels, we probably had them for about, I would say maybe 2 months sitting. You know, it's a great investment regardless. And the best part of it is, I'll show you guys the best part of it. Oh, he's still there with his MDX. Actually, his MDX is there. But the best part about the whole thing is I still got to keep the TPMS sensors. They were not included in the sale of the vehicle, and these things are probably worth a good $100 themselves. So guys, if you want to learn how to flip wheels like I do and make a profit, I've been doing this since I was probably like 18 years old with my Honda Civic, and we've been making money on every single wheel flip that we have ever traded. So watch some of my previous videos, get into the system. It seems to come naturally for me. I know the market I wish I can expand this knowledge of wheel flipping into the housing market and start flipping houses and seeing the value of properties. Maybe that's going to come in the future, but right now, a little extra money, side gig, can't hurt. Hey, by the way, check out the video of this Rust-Oleum paint job I did on this bumper. Came out looking pretty sweet for a really budget-friendly paint job.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the road is pretty